Namaskar, my name is Hiranmoy Chattopadhyaya. I am from Calcutta, from West Bengal, and I have come to Vizag to explore about the opportunities for a manufacturer in the medical science, rather you can say, medical healthcare, medical point of care devices. So I was looking for which could be the better option for me, for us to have a collaboration with such kind of institute. And then I learned about this kind of infrastructure, this kind of ecosystem is not available anywhere in the world, because this ecosystem had been created by Dr. Jitendra Sharma. You have everything. You have the research and development, you have the validations, you have the team of licensing, you have the team of regulatory, you have the team of making your device or design, from designing to the manufacturing to the industrial scalability. Everything you can get in this infrastructure. And people just always talk about the one window facilitations, but whenever you go into some other institutes, into some other ecosystem, you will find there should be one window. Then they will introduce you to 200 other windows where you have to interact differently, separately. But here, you won't believe, if you come here, if you have an experience here, you will see that Dr. Sharma has made that kind of infrastructure, that kind of ecosystem, where really on one window, if you come today, you can start your manufacturing from tomorrow morning, from opening the company, from having your own space, from having the formation of the company, to the R&D, to the validations, and lots of very, very expensive machineries, equipments throughout the world is available here just for you, to help you out, to facilitate your research and development, and finally bringing it to the commercial purpose. And the basic objective of Government of India at this moment, to make in India, to Atmanirbhar Bharat. And I would say this is, I think, one of the best examples in India as an ecosystem. This is really a make in India. This is which is really promoting, and the objective of this institute कि हमारे भारत में हमारे चीज़ बनाओ, हमारे देश को वो चीज़ दे दो, so that हमारे जो गरीब लोग हैं, जिनके पास वो affordability है नहीं, those who can't really afford to have that much of expensive tests and all, that can be really possible through this ecosystem. And you won't believe now, from here only we are making the MRI machines, and that are also being distributed, installed so many places in India. So previously we used to import the MRI machines, we used to import so many things, and hats up to everyone who has been the part of this institute, who has been the part of this ecosystem. Rigorously we have been working towards the nation building, towards the Make in India. Hats up to them, and thanks so much for having an opportunity to see and to go through and to experience the world's best possibilities in the medical science. And I heartily congratulate and I heartily thank Dr. Jitendra Sharma for giving this kind of opportunity to our country, Bharatvarsh. And through these, the millions and the billions of the people are going to get benefited. And thank you so much, Dr. Sharma. Thank you so much, all the members who have been working day and night rigorously, diligently, dedicatedly, honestly, genuinely, to make this institute more than a world level. Thank you so much.